In the past videos, we've been talking about the basics of machine learning, what machine learning is, and of course, why we need machine learning. In all of this, we mentioned that the machine learns from data. Now, the question is, how does this work? If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe. And please, if you have more experience, please correct me in the comment section. And we all will be happy to learn from you. I'm Damlami, a software engineer with a lot of experience. And lately, I got interested into machine learning, and I'm so happy to share my experience with you. If you're new to machine learning, let's gladly embark on this journey together. So we are going to discuss the machine learning workflow and look into the steps and processes involved in developing or building a machine learning solution. One, we have project preparation. Here, we will clearly define the problem. Of course, we cannot be working on a solution when we don't know what the problem is or when we don't even have a problem. So we need to clearly define our problem and understand the problem. We also need to set objectives, how we expect our solution to be, what success actually means to us, like how we expect our model to perform at the end of the day. That's very important. So we have data. We have always mentioned about data because we need plenty of data for the machine to actually learn from it. So we need to do things like data collection, data analysis, data pre-processing. So we're going to see that. Under data, we need to answer questions like, is our data labeled or not? Do we have structured data like in CSV files, unstructured data like sound, videos, and all of that? That's very important when we're dealing with data. 3, we have modeling. Now, this is one of the most exciting phases in most data sciences. In modeling, we train the machine learning algorithms with the data sets we have. We also evaluate the model if it reaches our objectives. So 4, we have deployment. Of course, if it reaches our objectives, we have to deploy it and monitor it as it's working. So I'll just give you a brief rundown of all the steps. We're going to be explaining them fully in the next video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.